Hello everyone, Rosie here, and today I'll show you how to make blueberry muffins. For that we need 100 grams of white sugar. We add that to 260 grams of plain flour. To flour mix we add 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, while we're also preheating the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Then we add half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly, and in another bowl we will be mixing our wet ingredients. For that we need 1 egg, which we break gently. Then we add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we mix it well again. Then we add 1/3 cup of oil. Any oil which has no strong flavor will do. And to our flour mix we'll add 1 cup of blueberries. You also can use any type of berries that you prefer, and they can be either fresh or frozen. Mix our wet ingredients with dry ingredients, and please make sure not to over mix your muffin batter, otherwise they will turn out rubbery or tough. So 30 seconds to 1 minute is good time to mix the batter. After all the ingredients are incorporated well, we'll be preparing our muffin pan by putting the muffin skirts into our pan. You can actually bake your muffins directly in the pan, but for that you need to butter or oil the pan so the muffins don't stick. We bake the muffins for 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven, and we bake them until the toothpick inserted into the muffin comes out dry. We leave the muffins in the pan for another 10 minutes, and after that we carefully remove them and cool them fully on the wire rack. I hope you like this video, and please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And as always, bon appetit!